Are you tired of uncomfortable seating at your favorite venues? Imagine enjoying performances without squirming or discomfort. We have the perfect solution you've been searching for. At Preferred Seating, we provide durable, stylish seating options. Our seats feature quiet, gravity-assisted mechanisms for ultimate comfort. Plus, they're built to last for years of enjoyment. Transform your audience experience with our customizable solutions, bringing vintage seating back to life. Second, enjoy designs that perfectly fit any venue. Lastly, trust our expertise honed from successful installations nationwide. What sets us apart? We perfectly match seating to any architectural design. Discover the elegance of our symphony seats. Our cinema seating is modern, supportive, and customizable in various fabrics. Choose from textured cloths to plush velvets. And our incredible selection of used theater chairs is waiting for you. With cinemas closing or renovating, grab quality seating on a budget. Ready to elevate your venue's seating experience? Visit www.preferredseating.com or call 317-716-9370 today.